If you're a Java programmer and you want to learn how to use Hibernate and JPA to simplify your Java persistence work while working with a relational database, then this is the course designed for you. Hi, I'm Deshrat Sinkiran and I'll be taking you through this course on Hibernate and JPA fundamentals. I'm a trainer at Maven Edge and also a working software consultant. In this course, we'll start simple. In fact, we will start from scratch, understanding the mismatch between the object model and the relational model, how object relational mapping helps you with that mismatch, and walk our way through some of the advanced persistence topics. Everything that we are going to cover in this course, we are going to do that with the help of an example. And not only that, we'll also be discussing the code execution at runtime. And do not worry if you've never written any JDBC or SQL code before. We'll be covering all the basics required for a concept to be understood as easily as possible. We'll start with Hibernate's native API, and then we'll move on to using Hibernate as a JPA provider, as JPA has become the new standard for object relational mapping for Java-based applications. Don't worry if there is anything that you're not able to understand at the moment. We'll be covering all that in this course. And after almost every session, you'll be having a lab exercise to help build your confidence and also revise all the concepts learned in the previous sessions. And wherever needed, we'll also talk about the behind-the-scene work that Hibernate does for us, so that you have a better understanding of the topic at hand. And of course, we are going to talk about some of the best practices and optimizations as well to help the performance of your application. I've been working with Hibernate since 2007, and I know it could be a bit tricky to get started with. But in my experience, whether you're a beginner or already have some experience with it, we are going to cover all the grounds for you to be a confident and competent Hibernate programmer by the end of this course, and move on to even more advanced topics with confidence. So let's go ahead and get started.